This chocolate mousse is super light and airy. Look at the inside. It's delicious, and on top of that, super easy and quick to make. I'll begin by adding 100 ml of heavy cream to a saucepan. I'm also adding 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate. You can use only dark chocolate or only milk chocolate. It's up to you. I personally like to mix both. We're going to put the saucepan on low heat, stirring constantly until the chocolate is completely melted. After that, we take it off the heat and let the cream and melted chocolates cool down. Meanwhile, we're going to clarify. 5 eggs, which means we separate the whites from the yolks and set them aside in 2 different bowls. If you want the eggless chocolate mousse version, I actually have a recipe available on my channel, and I invite you to go check it out. If you want to sweeten your mousse or add a flavoring, you do it at this point and whisk it with the yolks for 2 minutes. But I still advise against adding sugar, because with milk chocolate, it's already quite sweet. So I whisk the egg yolks well for 2 minutes until they start to foam, before pouring the cream and melted chocolate over them. So normally, they should be lukewarm. Avoid adding them when they're still hot. I mix everything together. You can also do this with a hand whisk. You don't need to whisk a lot, just mix it together. Then, I'll wash the whisks thoroughly. It's important that there are no residues from previous preparations. Otherwise, it could affect the egg whites from whipping up properly. Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And we're going to whisk, gradually increasing the speed until you get very stiff peaks. To check the firmness of your egg whites. First, they should form the famous bird's beak and remain firmly attached to the bowl's bottom. Even if you turn it over, nothing will fall out. I'm going to start by adding a small portion of the whipped egg whites to the previous mixture, and using a spatula, I'll gently mix it in. By lifting the mixture, we add the rest of the whipped egg whites in 3 or 4 additions, always gently, to avoid deflating them. That's what gives all the lightness and airiness to our chocolate mousses. Once all the egg whites have been properly incorporated, we can set the mixture aside in small ramekins, verrines, glasses, whatever you like. So, fill them up well and then set them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. They're even better the next day. This chocolate mousse is super light and airy. Look at the inside. It's delicious. And on top of that, super easy and quick to make. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon.